Hello, I'm Ian and this is a quick start guide to my Mandelbrot Maps applet. This is the applet on screen just now. On the left we have the Mandelbrot set and on the right we have a Julia set. There is only one Mandelbrot set, but there is a Julia set for every single point in the Mandelbrot set. As I'm moving the mouse around just now, we're seeing the Julia set for the point that I'm mousing over at that moment. The Julia sets tend to be most interesting at the boundary of the Mandelbrot set. This applet has two modes. In real-time mode, which we're in just now, moving the mouse around shows you the Julia sets straight away. Clicking will freeze a Julia set so that we can look at it in some more detail, and clicking again will go back to changing it straight away. In non-real-time mode, which we can get by ticking this box or unticking it, we have to click the Mandelbrot set each time to see the Julia set at the point at which we've just clicked. Back in real-time mode, we can move around the applet by clicking and dragging. The same for the Julia set. Clicking and dragging. Alternatively, we can use the arrows. We can zoom by hovering over a particular point and using the mouse scroll wheel. We can zoom out by moving the scroll wheel the other way. Note that as I do this, the zoom slider changes to show how far I'm zoomed in or zoomed out. We can zoom in up to 1 trillion times, 1,000 billion. We can also use the zoom slider directly. No matter where we are, we can get back to the original starting view by clicking the Home button. This is a good thing to do if we get lost. Now that we know this, we know almost everything there is to know about using the applet. There are only 3 more features. Firstly, there is a contrast bar. Adjusting the contrast may improve the pictures slightly. Usually you don't need to change it very much. It's especially useful for some Julia sets, whereby changing the contrast we can get some extra detail. There is a Save button, which lets you save pictures in a standard image format. We can save the image in a variety of sizes. For instance, with a large picture, we could use it as a wallpaper. Finally, there is a Show Link button. This shows a link to the exact image that we have on screen just now. This is useful if we find an interesting image and we want to bookmark it, or if we want to show to a friend what we found. Please experiment with this applet in both real-time mode and non-real-time mode, both. After playing with it for a bit, please also fill in a very short survey, which is further down the page. It shouldn't take more than about 2 minutes to fill it in. Thank you.